少林齐眉棍是少林派武术中的主要兵器之一。自13棍僧救唐王之后，少林棍法名扬天下。这套齐眉棍动作整洁，招式清楚，长时短用，把法突出，不攻既防，朴实无华，技击含义显而易见。本片由少林寺武僧总教练释果松师傅主讲并演练。
Shaolin Qimei Cudgel is one of the most important weapons in Shaolin martial arts. It has been known throughout China since the 13 cudgel monks saved the Emperor Tang Wang in the Tang Dynasty. The movements in Qimei Cudgel are clear and concise. The cudgel can be either long or short, each with its own techniques. It is used either to attack an opponent or to guard oneself in defense. It is simple in appearance. The attacking is quite simple to perform. The video is made with the chief coach, Shi Guosheng, who is a monk in the Shaolin Temple, acting as a lecturer and demonstrator. He teaches with face-to-face video, and in order to be better followed, he also demonstrates with his back to the viewer.